Creative Nesting DIY project for every home. Inspiration and step-by-step guides for fun and fulfilling home-based DIY project. Welcome creative minds to a space where imagination meets action, where a simple idea can transform into a masterpiece. Today, we embark on a journey filled with inspiration and step-by-step guides, unlocking the door to a world of fun and fulfilling home-based DIY project. The beauty of DIY lies in its ability to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or a newcomer to the world of do-it-yourself, there is a project waiting for you. It's more than just creating, it's about infusing your space with your unique personality and adding a touch of your creative spirit to your surroundings. Consider this your DIY heaven, a place where creativity flows freely. The inspiration for your next project could be hiding in the simplicity of everyday objects or the vibrant colors of nature. It's about seeing potential where others might not and turning that potential into something truly special. Now, let's talk about the practical side of DIY. I know starting a new project can sometimes feel overwhelming, but fear not, we are here to guide you step by step. From selecting material to mastering techniques, each DIY project is an opportunity to learn, grow, and revel in the joy of creating. Imagine crafting personalized home decor, upcycling old furniture into treasures, or even diving into the world of handmade gifts. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. These projects are not just about the end result, they are about the journey, the process, the satisfaction of bringing something to life with your own hands. Whether you are looking for a weekend escape into the world of creativity or a long-term hobby to fill your home with handmade wonders, DIY has something for everyone. Remember, there is no right or wrong in the world of crafting, only possibilities waiting to be explored. So, let your creative spirit soar and let these DIY projects be your canvas. From simple craft to intricate design, each project is an opportunity to infuse joy, fulfillment, and a touch of your own magic into your home. Welcome to a world where inspiration is limitless and your next DIY adventure is just waiting to begin.